it's safe to say this thing is loud. Really loud.
Skies stay low when the night stay golden. 30 mil a week, damn shit, I stay ballin'. Never take a break, 20 bitches all to me. Look back to the time, cash never stay boring. Got my eyes low, both eyes low. Walking in snow, bitch, walking for the show. Packing back this, never fucking with a snitch. Change jug to the edge of the place on the cliff. Yo, that's that renegade, that nigga renegade.
Alright, so I don't really know how loud it is in here. Car finally just warmed up a little bit. It's, copyright. So it's currently 30 degrees out right now in Ohio. Not a shocker. Not a shocker. So let's go ahead. We'll find a place to go. We're going to talk about this new exhaust setup. Of course, gotta roll down the windows a little bit. You know, blow a little vape out so people know who you are. E-brake down, first gear, and send it. So I don't really have a place for the camera yet, so it might fall over. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Hold on. Oh wow, that's bright. Okay, why is it 30 degrees out and the sun is insanely bright? Alright, so what's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. We are here with Aquila, and as you guys can hear, she has a completely new exhaust system. Well, not completely new. New to me. You get it. We have a little bit of burnage on the inside of her. I'm gonna need to get a tune for that, so yeah. But guys, I'm recording this on Saturday, so I hope you all are having a great, fantastic weekend. Saturday, Sunday, whatever your weekend shall be, I don't judge. But guys, we're out here. We got Aquila. We're gonna talk about her new exhaust setup. But first, I wanna leave a poll in the top, and I wanna ask you guys, what do you guys wanna see? Do you guys wanna see installs and car vlogs? Or would you rather see installs, car vlogs, and then here and there, like a little bit of gaming, like little throwback? I'm leaning more towards just doing vlogs and cars, but if you guys want to see more gaming videos, let me know. Maybe we'll just do some live streams. That's always a fun time. I'll do that on this channel too. And guys, don't even tell me about how dirty Aquila is. Yes, I know she is a dirty hoe. We're probably gonna go out and power wash her today just so we get all that disgusting dirt off of it. I don't know. Alright, so it's absolutely freezing outside right now, and I don't feel like freezing my hands off. So we're gonna do this inside the car. So if you guys don't already, go into the description, follow Aquila on Instagram. We just hit 3.4 thousand followers. So let's go ahead, let's get 4,000 before the end of the year. That's my goal. Alright, so onto this new exhaust setup. I've been wanting to do this to the car since I first got her. The very first thing I did to this car was change my exhaust. All I did was put in MagnaFlow Axleback catless exhaust. And it sounded fantastic compared to what it sounded like. So like, this is what it sounded like. And then this is what it sounded like after the MagnaFlows got installed. And then I've gone about like a half year without changing my exhaust at all. I've done a lot of engine upgrades. I've done a lot of interior stuff, exterior, and I just haven't touched the exhaust yet. So I got in contact with my friend Terry, and he got me in contact with his friend Sean, which I am now friends with Sean. Huge shout out to Sean Gamble, bro. This guy changed my exhaust setup like crazy. For a really good price, he deleted my front cats and my resignators, and he did like a custom exhaust pretty much. Cut off the cats, cut off the resignators. He took piping, he bent it himself, he welded it himself, he put in the O2 sensors, in which I actually got to get tuned because the little trick is to put the O2 sensors a little bit further back so your engine light doesn't turn off because the O2 sensors are getting too much gas to them. That is not the case for me, so I have to go and get that tuned so the engine light would turn off. But that's the only thing that's wrong with it. It sounds absolutely fantastic. It's extremely loud. In my little opinion, it kind of sounds like a V8. And that was kind of like the concept of, but it also kind of sounds like an exotic, which is like insane. I'll explain more when I do my overall review on why I bought the V6 over the V8. It's really boring sitting in here, so we're just gonna go outside. But guys, I can't get over the fact I hope you all are having a fantastic day. My week was pretty good. I finally got back to work from my thumb injury. I'm not wearing my plastic. I'm supposed to wear like a plastic over it, but I just don't feel like it right now because I'm recording a video and I need my hands on for it. So we're risking it for the biscuit, right? But goddamn, look at that hoe. Ooh, Aquila, you sexy as fuck. You dirty hoe though. And pretty soon, guys, that will not be the same. It's gonna be completely different. I'm so excited. It's gonna get upgraded so quick. Oh man. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go get Aquila cleaned and we'll get back on the road. I just watched some guy off-road over there. That's pretty lit. So this is what the startup sounds like inside the car. And this is what the startup sounds like outside the car. I'm gonna try to find a place where I can like actually rev it. I need like a non-sticky surface right there so you guys don't fall. That sun's bright. I'm gonna pull a Tanner Brongard. I literally drove around for like an hour trying to find somewhere where I can, you know, rev the exhaust a little bit, and I was like, you know what? There's a couple places in mind, but they're kind of far away. So I'm just gonna wash Aquila. I did I want to go dry it. It's already freezing over. It's absolutely crazy. My mirror is frozen. Everything is just frozen, guys. Out here in Ohio, it's some tough shit. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go to my next location. I'm gonna show you what it sounds like when I rev it. All right, guys, so this is what my 2011 Mustang V6 sounds like with the custom exhaust. Let's get it. Damn. All right, so I don't know how you guys feel exactly, but that was absolutely insane. I've never done that with my car since I had the new exhaust, so that was the first. I was saving it for this video. I'm really excited to see what that looks like and sounds like. That was, it's still smoking. Oh my God, okay. So I'm gonna get some cinematic shots and then we'll get home, I'll close out the video and then I'll edit this and upload it. Alright, so guys, I'm going to end the video here. It is absolutely beautiful out. I'm going to take some pictures of Aquila and then go home and edit this video and upload it. I hope you all enjoyed the exhaust. Let me know in the comment section below what you think of it. I absolutely love it. It sounds perfect to me. Only thing I need is a little tune and that's about it. But guys, if you could, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Subscribe below for more videos and car vlogs. And guys, I'll see you next time. Peace out.
Pray to God.